Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Poha Upma, a very filling, delicious and healthy breakfast recipe. Very easy to make and it helps in weight loss. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 cup of poha. Dry roast for 2 minutes in low flame. It's been 2 minutes now and the poha is well roasted and you will start to get a nice aroma. At this stage, off the flame and remove the poha and set it aside. Heat the same pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Urad Dhal and 1/4 teaspoon of Channa Dhal. Give it a good mix and allow the mustard seeds to flutter. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, half teaspoon of chopped green chillies, few curry leaves and 1 tablespoon of carrots chopped. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a good mix. Then to this add 1 cup of water and mix well again. Allow it to come to a boil. When the water starts to boil, add the roasted poha and mix well again. Mix well until the water completely dries up. Now the water has started to reduce. Continue to mix. Now we have the upma in perfect consistency. So off the flame and add a teaspoon of ghee and mix well again. Now a delicious and healthy poha upma is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some sambar and chutney and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this poha upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll be to you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.